The next generation sequencing facility here at St James's Hospital in Leeds is primarily a collaboration between the University of Leeds and the Leeds NHS Trust, encompassing skilled scientists from each division. We are primarily responsible for the running of clonal sequencers to provide diagnostic services to the Leeds NHS Trust and also research services to academic users from the university. The Next Generation Sequencing facility here in Leeds is one of the few facilities that has both the Illumina HiSeq 2500 and MiSeq, as well as bench and bioinformatic expertise within the facility that allows the rapid turnover of a huge number of samples. The Illumina MiSeq is essentially a benchtop sequencer which has a rapid turnover time of around 24 hours. It's primarily used for diagnostic samples from the Leeds NHS Trust and can be used to identify mutations in genes such as BRCA1, which is associated with breast cancer. The Illumina HiSeq 2500 is our high output sequencer which takes around 2 weeks to run. This is primarily used by academic users from the University of Leeds. It can be used, for example, to identify single base pair mutations in diseases such as cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia, but many of our academic users use the instrument to identify changes and mutations in more rare and recessive diseases. We also have a technology to look at DNA protein and RNA protein interactions, which in the future could be used to develop novel treatments. Currently, the identification of mutations associated with genetic disease and cancer is fairly routine, so we'd like to push this technology forward to look at single cells to identify mutations which are rare, which would be missed in a large cell population.